two birds, very close friends. Both of them are perched upon the same tree. One very tastefully eating, pecking upon the fruits. The other one, without eating, he is just only looking. In the same tree, the body, there are two birds sitting, very friendly. One is the Brahman, the other is the Jiva. Both of them are very friendly. One eats, the perceiver, the feeler, the thinker. You, the ego, driven by the desire to enjoy, you peck on the fruits. In between, one of them is very sweet. Next one, sour. Thus that bird who goes on eating the fruits of action, he is dragged through joys and sorrows, bumping from one joy to one sorrow to bump again to joy. And now a tasty fruit, I enjoy. Another one not ripe enough and therefore all the time. Your greatest friend, the pure consciousness, is only sitting down, illuminating your sourness, your bitterness, and your sweetness. The bird cannot eat, continue eating, because he is looking. Thus the M and I turns attention from the eating processes, stops eating, stops enjoying and indulging the OET, and turns his attention to the worshipful, the higher one, the other bird friendly, the Anya, the other one who is Isha, the Lord. When he sees his Mahima, his glory, his peaceful serenity, his nature of bliss and beatitude, the little bird ends all its shoka, sorrows. He becomes extremely peaceful and happy when it turns his attention to the higher. Just as the eating bird will have to cease from eating in order to turn his attention to his great pal and friend who is sitting there in the same tree without eating. When you turn your attention to him, all your Vita Shokaha, all your sorrows end, and you are floating into, gliding into a state of utter peace and joy. Utter peace and joy in the sense that the joy and the peace that passeth all understanding, as Jesus would say, the peace that passeth all understanding. In that state of peace and tranquility, the bird experiences, the lower bird experiences. The jiva, the individuality, it gets ushered into the presence of a great bliss and joy when it turns its attention towards the higher.